Variegated leafy plants need sunlight to grow. Otherwise, if you keep them in a very dark corner, these plant leaves will turn green. So if you have these house plants indoors, you will have to time shift the plants outdoors. Exposing variegated leafy plants to indirect sunlight is a must because these plants need indirect sunlight to color their beautiful variegated leaves. Let's see some of the variegated leafy plants in my garden. Welcome to Thamara's garden, and today you will be seeing beautiful variegated leafy plants. This is money pothos plant which has variegated leaves, so you will have to keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. Medium indirect bright sunlight also will be tolerable by these beautiful plants. Pandanus plant need ample space also, and their variegation is really very attractive. These plants are ideal as a beautiful entrance plant. This is Chinese evergreen plant, and there are many varieties of this plant too. These are beautiful house plants, indoor plants. Look at this beautiful plant. To grow them beautifully, you need to expose them to medium bright indirect sunlight. So this plant cannot tolerate bright sunlight. It has to be filtered indirect sunlight. Dracena, Lilia plant. This Syngonium, the common Syngonium. Another variety of Aralia. And here I have this umbrella plant, which is beautiful variegated leafy plant. Bamboo plants belongs to the family of Dracena, and this is a variegated leafy one. Here I have the gold dust plant. I have put it in a pot, huge pot, and here I have the triangular ficus. This is also the variegated leafy one. Pedilanthus plant, another variegated leafy plant. Spider plant, one of the beautiful variegated leafy plant.